Gucci flip flops, he hit you to massage. This a big watch, diamond dripping off for the clock. To the 6 out, wintertime, dropping the
What's
top.
up, Lisa Lander? It's Lisa Lander, and I finally got used to saying that. Yeah, and so today I will be reviewing some slime that my friend Mara gave me. I'm gonna be reviewing it because she's starting to sell slime now. Her name is Coolcatmingus. That's her Instagram. I will put down below. So yeah, here's a slime here. And she will also be giving me other slimes to review. So you'll be seeing her amazing slimes even more. So here we have this butter slime. I call it cotton candy slime because it is so cool. And it's so stretchy too. So I'm just going to take this stuff off here. Like the stuff on the top. It is so cool. Okay. So we finally got everything off. So now let's start. Okay. It is so good. It is so stretchy too. See, look at that. Perfect. See, and it's so stretchy. It kind of feels like cream cheese slime. Cream cheese slime and butter slime are kind of similar. So, yeah, she's amazing. She has a rainbow hair. Like, what is more amazing than that? And this is also one of the slimes I will do ASMR with. And, oh my god, it smells like cotton candy. So, yeah, she has every scent. Well, not every scent. I don't know if she has every scent. But she has got good scents for this. Let's try to make a swirl now. Okay, hold on. Let's try to make a swirl. Okay. I think I'm pretty good at making swirls, I guess. Okay, let's try. Okay, I think I did pretty good. Okay, I think I did pretty good. That's good. Okay, so this is a really good slime, guys. It is so buttery. Look, let's do this. Look at that, man. Look, if I could spread that, hold on. If I could. It's so, like, buttery, like, when you do that thing. Okay, sorry. But this is so good and stretchy. It is so good. Okay, thank you, Mara. I feel like, thank you so much for letting me review your slime. It is so stretchy, guys. Look. Huzzah! Oh! It was about to fall. Okay. Huzzah! It is so good. Okay. And then it just drizzles down. We probably shouldn't wait this long, but it's so satisfying. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And this time, yes, shoutouts will be at the end of the video. And obviously, Mara, you will have to be in the shoutouts. This is your second shoutout, I think. It is so bubbly, and it's so cool. So thank you, Mara, for letting me review your amazing slime. And I play with this like every day. I'm sorry, I just love it. And it's huge. So, yeah, she will have a website, yes. I will let you guys know immediately when she has her website up. But just follow her Instagram and keep up with her and her amazing slime. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye. Oh, why is my hand again?